Hey guys, in this episode I'm going to talk about M1 Finance. This is my 4-month update, so I'll go over my account and show you around a little bit. M1 Finance is a no commission stock platform where you can invest in stocks at your own pace and build accounts with fractional shares. So if you guys are interested, I will keep a link down below. And other than that, let's get right into it. So it was a very bad week in the market. It couldn't make its mind up. Went way down and then looked like it wanted to bounce back. And then the next day on Friday just continued downwards. So 1 week minus almost 4%. Completely total, I'm down 10% because I got into M1 Finance 4 months ago. I got in on August 6th, and I kind of got in at a wrong time in the market. It's been going up for so long, but that's all right. This is a long-term account, so I'm going to continue to add. So as of today, I got $35 in dividends. So that's pretty good for 4 months in earned dividends. And some of my holdings are, these are from my top holdings, so McDonald's, Coke, Walmart, Glue Mobile, Plug, Amazon. And some of the ones I recently bought, I added Baba and Facebook just because they've dipped quite a bit. And I thought it was a good time to start adding them. D.R. Horton, Shaw Communications, Walgreens. So let's see. What else do I want to show you around on here? So I will leave a couple links to some of my pies that I'm currently using. Right now I only have 12 stocks in each of my pies, a max of 12 stocks. So dividend 1 through 4, growth, which includes the Amazons, the Netflix, those type of stocks. And speculative is just something that I feel has the potential to go way up, and funds, just following the market. I got the SPY on there, and I got a few index funds in there. So other than that, I'll just show you a few of my upcoming ex-dividend dates that I might buy a little bit more on. And so those are too late. So coming up, CLM, I wanted to add into this, but I doubt I'll be able to because I'm going away for the weekend, and I won't be back till Tuesday. So maybe I'll put in order this morning before I go. But CLM is my very high risk dividend stock, where it's at 22.7% dividend yield, and it's my biggest performer as far as dividends earned. $16 of progressed annual earned dividend. So that's coming up. Best Buy, I'll probably add a little bit more as well going into fourth quarter, or not going into fourth quarter. Fourth quarter's here, but sometimes with the holiday season, sometimes Best Buy will get some of their numbers in and go up after that. So I'll probably buy a little bit more Best Buy than some of my index funds, and S&P is starting to hit towards the end of December. So it looks like it'll be an okay dividend month as far as getting more dividends into my account. So other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it down below. Again, this is my 4-month update for M1 Finance. Please hit the like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. And I do other videos, pretty much anything that you can make money on, I can do a video on it. I have real estate videos, personal loan videos, and such. So stay tuned. Bye.